అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? బాగున్నారా అందరూ? నేను లాస్ట్ టైం చాలా పేరు మర్చిపోయాను. సో ఐ డోంట్ డూ దట్ రిపీట్ ద సేమ్ మిస్టేక్. బట్ బిఫోర్ ఐ స్టార్ట్ థ్యాంకింగ్ పీపుల్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు మెన్షన్ దిస్. మా అందరూ ఇక్కడ ఇంత ప్రశాంతంగా ఇంత ఆరామ్గా వీఆర్ హియర్ celebrating the success meet, watching movies in the theaters. It's only because there are soldiers who are actually guarding our country and making sure we sleep and we are at peace. So I think it's very important right now to mention that. We are all happy ikkada because of them. I truly pray that all the families, all the soldiers, everybody, may they get the strength and may they all live well. Okay, now back to my our movie Hit 3. Naku chala cheppali, thank you, gratitude, but I'm going to keep it with me in my heart. To begin with my director Sailesh. I had a little bit of a lull phase, and then this project comes my way. In my head it was a yes, but obviously I have to follow the process of listening to the story and narration and everything. Sailesh Vachi, we had a very great meeting. Chala tinna first chala lunch, evening snack anni tinni tarvata narration start cheddamani. And I remember with the clarity, with the passion and with the grit that he narrated the story, and he said, manchiga I'll do this very nicely, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it. And I for sure knew that he will do it. And I think you didn't have to prove it to anybody, but you really greatly did it, and people have loved your work, people have acknowledged your work, they have rewarded you, and from here on it's upwards and onwards, and I think you will just shine brightly, and I cannot wait to see all your projects, all your work. Your success will mean always my success. I'm going to look forward to all your work. Thank you so much for casting me, thinking of me, and considering me as your Mrudula. Thank you so much. Next, my producers. Thank you so much, Prashanti. Like he said, you are a silent supporter. I've met you once on set, then I've met you during promotions, but we all know your presence, how much you have meant or how much you mean to the team, how much work you put in, and how nicely the whole team works. Thank you so much for that. The guiding force that you have always been there for the team. Thank you so much. You give very motherly vibes. But which is nice. I need it. We need it. And Deepthi Akka, we met once on set. When I met you for the first time only, chala akka laga feeling naku, chala, yeah. Now that I know you little more, I think you're a fun person to watch movies. I should catch up this movie on a single screen with you. I truly want, and it has been always lovely whenever I meet you and I see your smiling face. I think it just brightens up the room. Thank you so much, Deepthi Akka. Okay, wait. 1 second, quick 1 second. So, my direction department team, I have told all your names, but I missed Rahman's name. So, sorry, only Rahman's name I'm going to take. Thank you so much, all my AD boys. You guys have made my first Telugu movie and the journey and the language, everything, every single thing a lot more easier for me. I shall keep each one of you in my heart for the longest time. Thank you so much. And Rahman, thank you. I'm not going to forget your name. Okay, oh, he's not here. It's okay. Rahman, thank you so much. My co-director, Venkat Garu. Last time I forgot him. I'm so sorry. See, I forgot few names, not that they weren't important. It's just that I was on the stage and I had to wrap up. It was late. But Venkat Garu, thank you so much for anni Prashantaga schedules, anni na dates. You have handled it so well. Thank you so much. And you guys have seen the song in the train where Arjun and Mridula are about to kiss, and there's a TC who comes in. That's our Venkat Garu. Our co-director, did a cameo in our movie. So he expected a lot more bigger role, which got cut short into the entry scene. But yeah, the TC is Venkat Garu, and thank you so much. And coming to the production, our EP Venkat Garu, who I did not meet him the entire movie, and then I met him finally. Thank you so much for all the work that you put in and make sure the team runs, functions properly. And Abhi, since the time I've met you from our very first day look test, you were calm. And since then, I've seen you always calm, but I know you're the backbone, and I know how much work you have put in every department. You have done a fabulous job, very impressive, and I look forward to all your work and everything that you do. Thank you so much for being such a strong strength for our team. I feel very happy whenever I see, oh, Abhi is here. Okay, great. Things have taken care. So, yeah. My production manager, Seenu Garu, Naidu Garu, sir, thank you so much for all the patience. Sir, anni pani, andru chala manchiga. I hope I have not troubled you guys. Emanta kashta nenu I've not given you, I hope. But but thank you so much for all the patience. Okay. Okay, now coming back to quickly my team, production design, Nagendra Garu, my costume, last time I forgot to mention my costume department. You guys have made Mrudula look the way she looked, that even today I don't want to leave Mrudula. I always dress up like Mrudula. Krishna, she played a vital role. Hi Krishna, see? I remember. Krishna and my entire makeup, my team, makeup, hair, my costume. Thank you guys for looking after me like a baby, making sure that I don't go through anything. And thank you. Nana Garu, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, guys. All my co-actors, I know I did not get to share screen space with you all, but I loved watching you on screen. In future, maybe we shall get to share screen. Komli is not here. Komli has been great company throughout. For the second half, I shared time with her. Thank you so much, Komli, Chaitanya, and Ramesh Rao Garu. I had a chinna scene with him. I'm very happy to work with. And a small thing that I want to add is because I've playing a role like where you have a love story and all of that, but it's a genre where for the first time I'm playing a cop, and I remember being a little anxious and nervous about it, and I did mention it to Sailesh that, I don't know. The love part and the emotional part, all that I can pull off. I'm not sure about this cop. And I remember him saying that, you don't worry. You just wear your outfit and you come. I'm going to take care of the rest of it. And you did take care of it. You have made it so easier for me. I don't know how I played it. I don't know. I have not done justice to it. That's my personal critique that I do. But I hope audience liked it and loved it. So it's okay. Sesh, we did not share a screen space, but your entry did get the max whistle, okay? And Max got the max whistle, true. But you have done, you looked fabulous, and so much style and oomph that you have added to the character, which you already are as KD and as Sesh. Why is your name so difficult? Adivi Sesh. Okay. So yeah, last few names. I'm not going to take... Nani, I'm going to come to you. Hold on. Okay, music, Mickey sir, thank you so much for giving me such lovely song. Initially we thought it was one song. Tarvata rendu song ayindi, so I'm very happy, and lovely score. I have not seen the movie here, India lo. Morning poddune we reached land. I want to watch here once and feel the sound, feel the score. Akkada US lo naku chala ibbandi ayindi. Ikkada malli I want to watch the movie. And all my choreographers, my song choreographers, thank you Raghu Master. And my stunt masters, Satish Garu, thank you so much for making it happen in a way where I didn't feel it's difficult. You truly helped me. My first fight, it'll remain always special. And Lee and Fede and everyone, the entire team, you guys have been fabulous. I didn't even have to rehearse because before action, we took 5 minutes. You broke it down so well that I could just do it. So thank you so much for all the training that you guys have given me and Komli. I'm sure she feels grateful too. Sanu sir, thank you so much. I've been complaining that our train lo light ledu, anni avatar laga blue laga kanipistundi. Enti idi? Anni heroines. See, Sanu sir has shown his heroines so nicely, okay, in the previous movies. And I'm like, enti na moham anni blue avatar characters laga undi. He's like, it's okay. I'll try and make it happen. So he did show us very beautifully. But he gave me my intro scene where he put golden hour lights and anni lights. I'm chalu naku anta okati scene. But yes, jokes apart, you have added so much value to the entire movie. And for me, as my first movie in Telugu, you've given me a lot more, and I'm going to cherish it forever. Marketing team, all the PROs, you guys have done such fabulous job. Vamsi Garu, you have traveled with us throughout. Thank you so much for being so patient and handling everything so well. I know it gets very chaotic and crazy, but you guys have handled very well. And finally, audience, I aim Cheppali, because from the time I have started my career, you guys have been very kind, very, very, extremely kind and supportive. And Hit 3 ki inta prema, inta support. You guys have just owned it as your own movie. So thank you so much. I shall try my best to do more movies and to do better movies and keep you all entertained. And finally, I always think we all take our family for granted, and I never mention them. But thank you so much, Nana, sisters, everyone. They have been rock solid support, and very few friends that I have. You guys have been tremendously backing me up. Without you all, I don't think I would have survived so far. Thank you so much. Oh, Anani, I was about to forget you. Sorry, I know my speech went longer. And all the media people, thank you so much for always writing nice things and sometimes not very nice things, but it's okay. Thank you so much, all the media people. I love you for being so supportive and always being there for me. Okay, now finally, Nani. I think I've told enough. I've expressed enough. I think all my promotional videos went a little crazy because I was sleep deprived. I was exhausted, so I was on extreme. But the affection, the love that I hold, it's very true. It comes from a very sincere space, because I know as an audience, as an artist, as your co-actor, how sincere you are, how honest you are, and naku chala daggara nunchi choose avakasam dorikindi, that how you put your life into in everything that you do, especially when it comes to cinema. And I don't have to tell how you are as a person, the whole world knows. But I'm very, very honored, and it's my privilege that I got to work with you. And I think this 9 months or 10 months that I got to spend time, that I'm going to cherish with me forever, with the entire team also. So thank you so much, Nani. Like how I said, his success means my success. Your success, every time I see your movie, you shining brightly, it will feel it's my success too. I'm going to look forward to all your work. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Love you.
Thank you so much, Srinidhi. We request you to kindly stay.